and welcome to Animal Planet. We are very careful to be sneaking up on the exclusive realm of a TJ Santos. These creatures are generally very, very dangerous, so I approach with all due discretion. I try to position my body so that the wind will not actually breathe my scent to his nostrils, for listen to those massive chambers. It would probably help if I kept the camera on the subject. All the same, I am living with absolute and abject fear of approaching this animal. Look at him. Listen to the sound of that. My God, man. We are almost in the jaws of the abyss. I dare not move closer, but I must say I am impelled to do so. How much closer can we get to the beast? I don't know, but I fear this moment. I fear this moment to my very core. I would like to thank everyone at National Geographic for sponsoring me on this effort. I'm so lucky to be leaving with my life right now. Thank you all.